Studies have suggested that consuming ginger can enhance calorie burn and reduce feelings of hunger, and that it is associated with weight loss in overweight adults. Drinking a cup of ginger tea has been a traditional go-to remedy to manage cold, flu and cough. Its active component gingerol helps bolster your body from within and provide instant relief. Ginger is very effective in blocking prostate cancer cells and their growth. Also, due to its anti-inflammatory properties, it is able to reduce your risks of having cancer. One of the traditional uses of ginger is for pain relief, including menstrual pain. Ginger suppresses the production of chemicals that make your uterus contract, causing pain. Ginger is rich in good enzymes and natural oil, which reduces the level of bad cholesterol from the body and keeps our heart healthy. Due to its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, ginger may boost your immune health. Upping your intake of antioxidant-rich foods and beverages like ginger shots can combat inflammation and keep your immune system healthy. This spice contains antioxidant-like compounds called phytonutrients that decrease cell damage and prevent inflammation from starting. Ginger appears to be highly effective against nausea. Just 1 to 2 grams of ginger can help prevent various types of nausea, including chemotherapy-related nausea, nausea after surgery, and morning sickness. Ginger appears to have beneficial effects on the enzymes trypsin and pancreatic lipase, which are important for digestion. Also, it may help increase movement through the digestive tract, which can prevent constipation.